So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng tattoo galing sa NBA player. Tattoo cyber page NBA player. So first, let's find out, for example, I'm gonna use Chris Anderson. Oh, Chris Anderson. I'm gonna put this here. Chris Anderson. 0984. I'm also gonna teach that's the next video na lang. So go to your NBA folder, go to manifest, open with notepad, then 0984 we'll find PNG 0984. So the tattoo of Chris Anderson is here. Control C, go to notepad. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to get this. So yeah, save. I'm gonna put Messi set Anderson. So go again to your NBA 2021. I'm gonna put this in my next tutorial. And Anderson. Where's Anderson text? Anderson. Wait. Save as ito. Okay. So folder 2. So Anderson. Mali. Ulit. 1. Drag Anderson and the folder. Open with 7-zip. This is the toe of Anderson. So open Photoshop. I'm gonna put this in a brown texture or skin, brown skin, dark skin. So if your player is white, you're not gonna need to do this. It's white. Choose. This white. So no problem in a business. So what I'm gonna do is select color range, click this. Yun. Yung walang tattoo, erase na yun. Yeah, pwede nyo naman ata ito i-delete. Tingnan natin kung goods pa. Delete. Good. Ano din kung meron pa. Yun. Yan. Convert na. Tingnan natin. Okay lang. So save as DDS. Yan. For example example, Richie Rivero. Just don't think about this kasi nilagay ko siya kay Durant. Richie open archive, so walang texture dito, pwede na ilagay natin agad. Saan ba yun? Save as Anderson tattoo. D3 DDS, not this one, tama. D3 DDS, under tattoo, this one, that name. Save, yes, exit, save it, save as D3 DDS. Ulit turn tayo sa tattoo ulit. Ito yung name yan, no alpha. So yeah, lagay natin kaya na Richie, mali ito yung Richie, tapos yung tattoo, lagay nyo lang dito yung dalawa. Yun, wala na kayong gagalawin. Open na natin sa ano, open na natin, wait ako dito, open na natin. I'm gonna connect my controller. Okay, now block to. Yeah. So kay Durant yun. Ayun, kita nyo? Start natin. Trees agad. So agad. Hindi ko pa na-fix yung Richie, walang oras eh. Shooter ah. Airball pa. Open ko muna ang tabs. Perfect naman din. F10. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating tutorial.